Welcome back. 16th January is celebrated as the Opinion Poll Day. It is known as Astami Dis. On this day, Goa attained its separate identity. It's on this day, people unanimously decided that Goa will be a separate entity. We caught up with some people who fought for Goa's separate identity and asked them just one question. 43 years down the line, what Goa has become and what more needs to be done.
Goa Opinion Poll Day is a referendum which was offered to the people on 16 January 1967. Goans were given a choice to be a union territory or to merge with the state of Maharashtra. People chose to be a union territory, and in 1987, Goa attained statehood. It is because of Dr. Jack Sequeira's contribution that Goa is having a separate identity. And that is why he is known as the father of opinion poll. We met freedom fighter and Jnanpith awardee Ravindra Kelekar and asked him whether he is happy with Goa's development. He said that Goa is not the state he had dreamt of.
ओपिनियन पोला खातीर झगडटना तुमी जे तुमचे स्वप्नान जे मनान जे गोंय आसले तुमी फुडाराक पळोवपाक सोदताले ते स्वप्न तुमचे पुराय जाले काय
जावना तेच गोंय उरना ओपिनियन पोलान फक्त ट्रायला म्हणटात ते मर्जर ट्रायला पण मागीर जे पळय लोक भद्दे गोंयान ते ट्राळूक सबमर्शल ट्राळूक पावले ना बुडला गोंय खंय तरी गोंय आसा तशें जावच पडटा खातीर ते सगळ्यात समृद्ध जावपाचें मर्जर आनी मराठी कोंकणी भास जे पळय आसा ते सगळें वाचून दाखोवपाचें लग्न करपाचें हें स्वप्न आशिल्लें आनी बरे भशेन रचलें पडून तशें जावंक पावलें ना.
तुमकां म्हणपाचें की आयचें जें गोंय आहा तें गोंयकारांचें गोंय उरोंक ना
मातसो सुद्दां उरना गोंयकारांचें गोंय उरूंक ना सगळ्यांचें एक्सेप्ट गोंयकारांचें.
Advocate Uday Bembre also expressed his dissatisfaction with the development of the state. He said that we should use these instruments in a good manner to attain better development.
म्हजे नदरेन गोंयच्या आधुनीक इतिहासांत गोंयचे सुटकेचो दीस हो पयले म्हत्वाचो. ताजे फाटोफाट ओपिनियन पोल दीस हो म्हत्वाचो. कारण सुटके दिसा आमी स्वातंत्र्य मेळयलें जाल्यार ओपिनियन पोल दिसा आमी स्वराज्याचे बुन्यादीचो पयलो फातर बसयलो. आमी बेशिस्त, आमी अकार्यक्षम, आमी भ्रश्टाचारी आनी म्हणून हाजें रिफ्लेक्शन आमकां आमच्या जिविताच्या सगळ्या क्षेत्रांनी दिश्टी पडटा. हाजेर आमी सुदारले बगर ही परिस्थिती सुदारची ना, आमी स्वताक बदलले बगर ह्या परिस्थितीक बदल जावचो ना.
But Santa Cruz MLA Victoria Fernandez had a different say. She said that Goa has developed very well, and if Goa had to merge with Maharashtra, Goa would have been one of the underdeveloped districts of Maharashtra.
Small is beautiful म्हणना तशें गोवा इज स्मॉल तें जावन खुबशी उदरगत गोंयची जाली जावंक ना आनी खूब जावपाची आसा. हांव म्हणना पूर्ण उदरगत जाल्या खुबशी जावपाची आसा पूण तांतून आमी कितलो प्रोग्रेस केलो ते मेरेसान आतां पर्यंत जावं ते कल्चरल सोशल एड्युकेशनल हेल्थ वायज.
Our reporters Laukik Shilkar, Samir Bhatt with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi.
A dream of building a fire service academy is still a dream. Another proposal for necessary equipment is pending with Finance Department for the last 2 years. This is the State of Directorate of Fire and Emergency Services. All these things came to light at their annual inspection day parade at Panji.
Home Minister Ravi Naik inspected the old equipments. Naik informed that a proposal for necessary equipments is pending with Finance Department. Sources say that this proposal is pending from last 2 years.
Equipments, वेगवेगळे तरेचे equipments आसा. सपोज 8 मजली बिल्डिंगेक जर उजो लागलो आमचे कडेन लेटर ना, आमी प्रपोजल दिल्ले आसा, आमी गव्हर्मेंटा प्रपोजल आसा पेंडींग आसा फायर आमच्या फायनान्साक. सपोज 8 मजली 9 मजली बिल्डिंगेक उजो लागलो 10 मजली बिल्डिंगेक उजो लागलो तर मनशाक सेफ करपाक मनशाक जे लायफ सेफ करपाची गरज आसता तेजी प्रपोजल दिल्ले आसा. ह्या लेटर म्हाका दिसता मेळटले बेगीन मेळचे.
Director of Fire and Emergency Services Ashok Menon informed that the dream of Fire Academy is still on paper.
No, it is in the project report is under preparation and which will be handed over to the government, and then from there we will take on how to go about it to commence the Fire Academy in the state of Goa.
Nothing concrete has been done to make this dream a reality from last 1 year. Chief Secretary Sanjay Srivastava also graced the function. Fire Force officials were rewarded for their outstanding performance.
हाँ यही रास्ता है तेरा, तूने अब जाना है, हाँ यही सपना है तेरा, तूने पहचाना है.
A reporter from Panji, Laukik Shilkar, with video journalist Ravindra Darvi for Prudent Media.
Feast of Blessed Joseph Vaz was celebrated on Saturday. Blessed Joseph Vaz is also known as the patron of Goans. Thousands of people visited the shrine at Sankwal to seek blessings from Padre Jose Vaz.
This is the Church of Blessed Joseph Vaz. Thousands of people on Saturday visited the shrine and took part in the Eucharistic celebration. Not just the Catholics, but people of different religions participated in the feast. It is believed that all the sick are blessed with good health. Father Ermi Tribello told us more about Blessed Joseph Vaz.
मंगळूर ताणे धर्माचो वावर केलो, त्याच बरोबर सामाजिक वावर केलो. आणि सामाजिक वावर म्हणल्यार जे सोरोप येताले तांकां तो तांचे जिवीत बदलतालो, तांकां भेट दितालो. त्या भायर तो काळ चाकरांचो स्लेवरी, बाजारांत व्हरून स्लेव्सांक विकताले तांकां तो आपूण विकते घेतालो आनी सुटका फ्रीडम दितालो.
Most of the people believe that Father Joseph Vaz had bath in this spring when he was a small boy. They consider that this water has healing powers. Our reporter in Sankwal, Surendra Madkekar.
Boating activities in Goa might just get the much needed exposure. With a wide range of boats displayed at the International Boat Festival at Kampal, one might just feel the urge to hop onto these stunning beauties and take a wild ride. Have a look.
Boating and water leisure activities are all set to get a major boost in Goa. International brands from the world of leisure boating industry have come down to showcase some of the finest and most beautifully crafted boats. From jet skis and yachts to parasails and kayaks, there is everything a boating enthusiast wants. Joseph Dice, who is the organizer of the 6th International Boat Festival, mentioned that Goa can be developed into a world-class destination for boating and water leisure activities.
Well, Goa is very much not just a market, it can be developed into a world destination for boating and water leisure, because it has a very wide and vast coastline. The beaches are there, the holiday destinations are there. You also have a whole lot of inland waterways with your rivers like Zuari and Mandovi. So it's not just boating or yachting, it is the entire gamut of water sports and water leisure that can come up in Goa.
Joseph also mentioned that a marina is essential in a state like Goa so that it can boost such activities.
A marina which is much desired in a state like Goa, and smaller states would also consider and might be the first to construct a marina, but if Goa does it, certainly the government would help.
A reporter from Panji, Jason Suarez, with video journalist Ganesh Hodkar for Prudent Media.
News from sports when you come back from a short break. Stay tuned.